I've tried and tested so many ways, and this is the simplest and the best way to cook Thai sticky rice. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Now, I absolutely love my rice cooker. We serve rice quite a bit as a side, and this thing cooks rice perfectly. I tend to put it on about an hour before I'm ready to serve dinner, and even if I'm running late, it keeps it warm. Cooks the rice perfectly every time and tastes better than cooking it in a pan. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with 1.5 cups or 330 grams of Thai sticky rice. Place the rice in the rice cooker bowl, and then we're going to rinse it 2 to 3 times under cold water until the water runs clear. And then drain off any excess water. Then add the washed rice to the rice cooker along with 1.5 cups or 360 ml of cold water. Basically, we're using equal amounts of rice and cold water volume wise. Now set the rice cooker to run on the white rice cycle. Thai sticky rice is notoriously difficult to get right when cooking in a saucepan, and we've tried lots of different methods, but we've found for simplicity and for taste, the rice cooker is the best option. You can just let it cook away and do its business whilst you're getting on with cooking your main course. Once it's cooked, it's ready to serve. I like to spoon it and flatten it into a small bowl and then turn it over onto a plate or bowl. I love to serve this up with a red Thai curry or my tom kha gai recipe. It's so tasty. See you next time.